Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sena Spider ST1 Bluetooth motorcycle helmet headset intercom and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first is troubleshooting. If you are having issues where it is not connecting or it is not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it seems to be frozen or not responding, any kind of issues like that can be fixed with a hard reset very often, but you will need to set this up because everything will be wiped off of it, which is another reason you might want to do it. If you just want to wipe everything off and have this new like it came out of the box on the default settings, this will do it for you. So what you want to do is you're just going to press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. And after you hold that for 10 seconds, you'll hear it actually say factory reset. Now, once that happens, you're going to need to confirm it. So you're just going to press the wheel in the center, boom, and that will confirm it. And it will say device reset, goodbye. It will turn off. And when you turn it back on, it will be reset to its factory default settings.